how to fix Instagram message that you fail. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing you have to do is make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. So if you want to make sure that, what you want to do is open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Instagram and click here on update, because it shows you this update right here. This means that you don't have the latest version and you should update it. The second way to fix this is by going to the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the Instagram app, click on this storage and then clear the data and the cache and then click on force stop, and that's it. Now restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.